Europa League in the last round of games when Cologne supporters took over the city of London on their trip to Arsenal, and it's been pretty much the same in Paris this afternoon. Almost like the first goal would be. Familiar names, familiar... Quite a curt exchange between Thomas Muller and Thiago Silva. It is Bayern Munich. Tara, and there goes Neymar again. Neymar with the ball across, what a chance! And PSG have the first goal! Dani Alves has fired them in front. Less than a minute and a half played. Now the place is rocking. An all-Brazilian affair made by...
Neymar can go as and where they want.
It's nice and easy for Ulreich. That's a cross where, well, to somewhere where Arturo Vidal was lurking and Rabiot was corner. That was a chance, it still might be. Javi Martinez. Kimmich. It's another ball in that was potentially dangerous. Free kick though, because Muller didn't quite time his tackle and caught Thiago Silva. Hurt himself. Kimmich. Muller. Thiago Silva turns it behind. The way yet. And that's a good try and a really good save from Areola. Javi Martinez caught that sweetly. Bayern come again. That's James. Well, it looked to me as though it was deflected for a corner. Nothing doing. Should have been.
Quite clear there.
Looks for Lewandowski, who might have put that straight at the keeper, but he did well even to do that, jumping between two defenders.
He shouldn't really.
France. Mbappe rides the first one. Taken by the second. Through to Muller. Lewandowski. Alaba couldn't touch it home. Kimmich. Areola stays back. Allows Cavani. Cavani shot. Always wide.
Two wonderful options, didn't he? Got the feeling that perhaps the Neymar ball would have been better. Touch across would have taken him into the 18-yard box. His control just lets him down slightly. Cavani gets the ball stuck under.
Mbappe, l'accélération. Le ballon en retrait pour Edinson Cavani. Le Ronaldo qui fait une fois encore.
Mbappé dans la profondeur, on parlait de la lenteur des défenseurs bavarois. Regardez, il temporise, met de la qualité, de la puissance avec cet intérieur du pied droit. Et il met Cavani dans les meilleures dispositions. Il faut encore le mettre, hein, ce but. Mais on voit...
Here's Neymar with the touchback. And there is Cavani, and that was a weak one. Ulreich makes a save, which will do his confidence the world of good.
Doesn't catch it well enough, does he, Cavani? Wonderful.
Neymar to Mbappe. Neymar wants it back. And he would have got it but for Alaba. Tolisso turned behind by Thiago Silva. Muller. Super cross. Important. So Paris Saint-Germain. Kimmich can only find Dani Alves with that, but it wasn't the most sure. Another chance, and it's headed off. Neymar could get it back. Neymar's got the chance for three. And Kimmich came across to stop him.
It's got to be finished, hasn't it?
With the time to get it down, he's run out of time now, though. And here's Muller. Turned behind by Thiago Silva, who wants a little...
Champions League.
They're passing it so far with flying colours, thanks. In from Rudy. Another headed chance because Areola does not come for the crosses, and Javi Martinez will feel it. Here's Neymar. Mbappe wants it. Neymar wants the goal. He's a little closer than he was last time, but not close enough.
They've fallen over themselves, aren't they, to take the opportunity.
Vidal. Of course, they could grow as
at the right time.
Kingsley Coman, he takes it on now, but just caught it off the outside of the boot. times his slide to stop the Kimmich cross. It'll now be a Kimmich corner. Marquinhos and Sebastian Rudy again. He takes on the shot. Smartly saved by Areola. Coman. That one's right across the face. Vidal. Neymar. Always looked as though he'd have to go down at some stage there. In line. Here come the support players. Well, Cavani seemed to start falling before the ball was anywhere near him. It's a good try, but it was never likely to beat Sven Ulreich.
Such a long way out, isn't it? Even a player of his stellar ability.
Kylian Mbappe qui est embrouillé à la main. Kylian Mbappe, Neymar, c'est génial. Et c'est conclu par Neymar.
Et derrière, il va déplier. Regardez cette roulette. Il fait tourner le dos à la balle. Alors aussi, a coûté si cher. Parce que lorsque vous avez un talent comme celui-là, Cavani et Neymar.
La tête de
You can do it with a little more ease when it's 3-0, but he nearly put that on a plate for Lewandowski. He's now apologising to all and sundry. Now, David Bratton, as an ex-professional, you're 3-0, but what do you say to your team? That one comes into Lewandowski, and that one is finally put in by Arturo Vidal, but it's not going to count. Nothing going for Bayern Munich.
Really
going to get that privilege this evening. And here comes Dani Alves again.
There'd have been not a single one of his teammates that would have begrudged him taking this shot up.
Before he gets into his busy stride, Kimmich. Areola couldn't hold it. Your face tells the story, David. Looking for Vidal with that. Neymar against Rudy. That's not a contest, and that is a foul. He might have let it go, given his time again, the ref, but he couldn't really.
Not only up his game, he's got to be on top of his game to try and top him out the team.
Behind him. Oh, it's Cavani's, and it wasn't bad.
Had more pace, didn't it, than Neymar's earlier effort.
Kingsley Coman. That's a nice save. That's what Areola is good at.
Superb save. Wonderful feat from Coman to work the shooting opportunity.
Alaba.
No, I think they've got away with certain elements of defensive lapses and
get something on the board tonight. And they're going to have one last shot, I think, with a free kick. Maybe if there's time. One last shot in anger from Robert Lewandowski.